So very good evening everyone, very good evening Abhishek, very good evening all. So hope I am audible to you all. Sorry for the delay and thank you for being patient waiting for the class. Okay, so welcome to the Lead Gate channel my dear friends. Today we are going to continue our Maha Revision. आपको पता ही है कि ये Maha Revision जो है ये हम लोग स्पेशली फॉर द मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स, मैकेनिकल ब्रांच के लिए हम लोग ये महा रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. ओके, टेक्निकल एज वेल एज नॉन टेक्निकल. और ये महा रिवीजन वी फोर फैकल्टीज आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर कंप्लीट रिवीजन. दैट इज मीनू गुप्ता मैम एंड मारुति तिवारी सर. Okay, Meenu Gupta ma'am or Maruti Tiwari sir, they will take care of your technical subject revision, whereas Rohit Sinha sir and me Amulya Ratan will be taking care of your non-technical, like for example Rohit Sinha sir as maths and me as aptitude. Very good evening Amulya, very good evening. और आपको ये पता है कि ये महा रिवीजन जो है ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हुआ है 12 अक्टूबर को एंड दिस विल कंटिन्यू अप टिल 31 जनवरी. सो डोंट मिस दिस रिवीजन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल स्ट्रीम. अटेंड टेक्निकल एज वेल एज नॉन टेक्निकल. पूरे रिवीजन जो है अगर आप गेट 2021 के एस्पिरेंट हैं तो ओके. तो और एक और बात मैं बता दूं, अगर आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन अभी तक नहीं लिए हैं तो आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हैं. अगर आप गेट 2021 के एस्पिरेंट हैं you can take the subscription just for 3 months. Okay, for 3 months the subscription fees is 13,750. And you can, if you are gate 2022 aspirant, you can take the subscription directly for 18 months. 18 months the fees is 38,500. But let me tell you that if you are using the code that is AR10, अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हैं AR10 तो 3 months की सब्सक्रिप्शन नो नीड टू पे 13,750. you have to pay just 12,375. okay, so use this code to while taking the subscription. And 18 months no need to pay 38,500 for 18 months. You have to just pay 34,650 if you are using this code that is AR10. और ये कोड आप अपने फ्रेंड से भी शेयर कीजिए whenever they are taking plus subscription on Unacademy, because this code is valid in all the courses available on Unacademy for the discount. My pleasure, my pleasure. Rajshekar is saying thank you and my team. Okay, Rajshekar, it's our duty. Rajshekar, we should give you the complete syllabus, we should give you the complete coaching, so it's our duty. So we are just fulfilling your duty, but it would be really pleasure that you are taking the complete revision. How are you today, Faizan? I am fine, Faizan. I am fine. So anyhow, so let us proceed with this topic. Today we are discussing the topic. Thank you very much, Faizan, for asking. So today we are discussing the topic that is directions. Directions. Okay, हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसे दिशाएं. In Hindi we call it as दिशाएं. Dishain. So directions, how many directions are there? First of all, we have to understand how many directions are there. So I can say the basic 4 directions. That is, you must have heard about this word news. You must have heard about news. News, that is N north, E east, W west and S south. These are the major direction. News. Okay, you see the news. So news north, south, east, west. Okay, so these are the basic direction: north, south, east and west. These are the basic direction. Again, we have some sub direction also. Sub direction like the complete region in between north and west. This complete region in between north and west, it will be called as northwest. This complete region, not only 45 degree. Some people get confused, only 45 degree. Not 45 degree, this complete region will be called as northwest. Similarly, the complete region between north and east, this will be called as northeast. Similarly, in between south and east as southeast, and in between south and west as southwest. Is it clear? Are you getting me? Okay, so these are the 8 direction, 4 main direction and 4 sub direction. Total 8 directions are there in English. But let me tell you, in Hindi there are 10 directions. If you want to know which 10 directions, you can ask me in the chat. If you don't want to know, because Hindi is not important here, English is important. So in Hindi there are 10 directions. If you want to know, you can mention in the chat, I'll explain. Or else we'll proceed with this 8 direction. हिंदी में 10 दिशाएं होती हैं. इंग्लिश में स्टार्टिंग होता है आपको नॉर्थ साउथ से। सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं, इंग्लिश के डायरेक्शन स्टार्ट होते हैं नॉर्थ साउथ से। सूरज का कहना है पीएलसी मतलब, सूरज आई डेंट गेट यू। ओके, तो इंग्लिश का डायरेक्शन स्टार्ट होता है नॉर्थ साउथ से। देखिए इंग्लिश में हम लोग डायरेक्शन डिसाइड करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन, यस फैजन बताऊंगा बताऊंगा, फैजन बताऊंगा डेफिनेटली, सूरज आप भी वही बोल रहे थे, बताऊंगा बताऊंगा। तो इंग्लिश में हम लोग डायरेक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं कहाँ से, नॉर्थ साउथ से, क्योंकि इंग्लिश की डायरेक्शन जो है वो हम डिसाइड करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन पोल्स। पोल्स फिर से मैं बता दूं, अर्थ में नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल होगा, ऐसा कोई पोल वहां पे लगा नहीं है, मतलब ये एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है मिडिल ऑफ द एक्सिस। ओके, नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल, उसके अनुसार से हम लोग नॉर्थ ऑरिजन साउथ ऑरिजन डिसाइड करते हैं, और उसके अनुसार से यह डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ साउथ डिसाइड होता है। मीन्स एक कंपास को लेकर उसे फ्रीली लेफ्ट मैग्नेट, आप लोग टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट हैं बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, फ्रीली लेफ्ट मैग्नेट जो है, मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल नॉर्थ साइड दिखाएगा और मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल साउथ साइड दिखाएगा। ओके, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट पोल अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर। ओके, और हमारा अर्थ भी एक मैग्नेट है, और वो क्यों है उसके सारे रीजन भी आप लोग टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट हैं बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। तो इंग्लिश के डायरेक्शन जो डिसाइड होते हैं वो आपको पोल्स के अनुसार से डायरेक्शन डिसाइड होते हैं, इसीलिए नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट, पहले नॉर्थ साउथ हम बोलते हैं फिर ईस्ट वेस्ट बोलते हैं। लेकिन हिंदी का डायरेक्शन स्टार्ट होता है बेस्ड ऑन सन, सूर्य के अनुसार से डिसाइड करते हैं, सन किधर निकलता है और किधर अस्त होता है, किधर उदय होता है किधर अस्त होता है, उसके अनुसार से हम डायरेक्शन डिसाइड करते हैं। तो इसीलिए हम लोग हिंदी के डायरेक्शन हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं पूरब पश्चिम। पूरब मीन्स इट इज ईस्ट एंड पश्चिम मीन्स इट इज वेस्ट, कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा, पूरब मीन्स इट इज ईस्ट, पश्चिम मीन्स इट इज वेस्ट। वही तेलुगु में अगर हम बोलें तो तेलुगु में भी आपको तूर्पू परमरा बोलते हैं, तूर्पू मतलब ईस्ट, परमरा मतलब वेस्ट। ओके, उसके बाद उत्तर दक्षिण, उत्तर मतलब नॉर्थ एंड दक्षिण मतलब साउथ। ओके, उत्तर मतलब नॉर्थ, दक्षिण मतलब साउथ, तेलुगु में उत्तरम दक्षिणम बोल सकते हैं। अक्षय वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेरी गुड इवनिंग अक्षय। तो उसके बीच के डायरेक्शन, इसीलिए आप देखिए यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में प्राइमरी डायरेक्शन जो है वो नॉर्थ है, तो नॉर्थ और वेस्ट के बीच में हम लोग वेस्ट नॉर्थ नहीं बोलते, वी नेवर से वेस्ट नॉर्थ, व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज, वी कॉल इट एज नॉर्थ वेस्ट। पहले नॉर्थ पहले बोलते हैं, प्राइमरी डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे नॉर्थ है। वही अगर आप हिंदी में देखिए तो हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, उत्तर पूर्वी दिशा, पूर्व उत्तर नहीं बोलते, उत्तर पूर्वी। अक्षय पश्चिमा तूर्पू, पश्चिमा तूर्पू, ओके, यस एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली, उत्तर पूर्वी। हिंदी में हम लोग पहले उत्तर बोलते हैं, क्योंकि हिंदी का डायरेक्शन हम लोग उत्तर से स्टार्ट किए थे, तो उत्तर पूर्व बोलते हैं, उत्तर दक्षिण दिशा बोलते हैं, दक्षिण उत्तर नहीं बोलते हैं। आर यू गेटिंग मी? हाँ, तो मैं बता रहा था, ये कुछ लोग पूछ रहे थे ये 10 डायरेक्शन हिंदी में कैसे हो गए, तो ये 8 तो है ही, दीज 8 डायरेक्शंस आर देयर, लेकिन हिंदी में 2 और डायरेक्शन इंक्लूड होते हैं, वो है पाताल, आकाश और पाताल, आकाश और पाताल, ये 2 डायरेक्शन हिंदी में इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं, तो इसीलिए हिंदी में 10 डायरेक्शन हो जाते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? ओके, इंग्लिश में आकाश पाताल ये दोनों डायरेक्शंस नहीं होते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में सिर्फ 8 डायरेक्शन हो गए। क्लियर है? मूविंग फर्दर मैं आपको बता दूं कि जितने भी डायरेक्शन, हमें हिंदी से मतलब नहीं, हिंदी तेलुगु से नहीं, इंग्लिश से समझना है, जितने भी डायरेक्शन है सारे डायरेक्शन हॉरिजेंटल होते हैं, एवरी डायरेक्शन इज हॉरिजेंटल। लेकिन क्योंकि हम लोग नॉर्थ साउथ को वर्टिकल लिखते हैं, इसीलिए हम इस दोनों को वर्टिकल डायरेक्शंस बुलाते हैं। एक्चुअली सारे डायरेक्शन इंग्लिश के हॉरिजेंटल हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज नॉर्थ साउथ इज रिटन एज वर्टिकल, सो वी कॉल नॉर्थ साउथ एज वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन, एंड सिमिलरली ईस्ट वेस्ट एज हॉरिजेंटल डायरेक्शन। But be careful, every direction is horizontal, no direction is vertical. But while writing, we are writing north south as vertical, so we'll call it further in the question as vertical directions. Okay, now movement. Movement, just understand, just now I was taking the class in YouTube, the previous class for the civil branch, there I was explaining sitting arrangement. So there I said about direction, no doubt here once again I am repeating the direction. A person is going north, a person is going north, turns left. Once it says that turns left, first of all, when they are not mentioning you degree, by default you have to turn the person 90 degree. Till the time they are not mentioning the degree, By default, you have to turn the person 90 degree. And left turn will be always anti-clockwise. Okay, left turn will be always anti-clockwise, and right turn will be always clockwise. Like a person going north, turn left. Turn left means from north left, the anti-clockwise, directly west. But in sitting arrangement, it will be opposite. When you are attending the sitting arrangement topic, or else if you have attended already the problem solving, I said you in the revision lead gate channel, I said you problem solving, there it will be opposite. And there I have also mentioned why it will be opposite. There right means it will be, right means anti-clockwise and left means clockwise. But here in the direction it will be, left means it is anti-clockwise and right is clockwise. Okay, why it is opposite, I said you there in the video, that it will be, one is towards the origin, another is away from the origin, because direction we go from away from the origin, so that is the reason it is like that. Clear? Now we'll see the question, we'll go with the diagram, and then we'll see without diagram how we can sort it out. Because without diagram, without drawing figure also, we can sort out the questions. Okay, how to sort it out we'll understand. Not all the question, but maximum number of question without diagram can be sorted out very easily. But first we'll see the explanation with diagram. Okay, so let us go to the question. Any queries, doubt up till now? Anyone? Akshay, Faizan, Suraj, Amulya, Rajashekar, Abhishek, anyone? Any queries, doubt up till now? Shall we see the question? So here is the question on the screen. Abhishek says no doubt up till now. Good. Suraj also says no doubt. Very good. Okay, so let us understand this question. Yes, Amulya, good. Facing towards south, Suresh walk. Suresh. Wow, Suresh name. Is there anyone as Suresh here? So let me tell you that these names, whatever I am giving you in the question, it is nowhere related to the people around us. Okay, these are all imaginary names. हिंदी में बता दूं मैं आपको, जितने भी नाम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दिए जा रहे हैं, ये सब काल्पनिक नाम है. इनका किसी भी जीवित या मृत व्यक्ति से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप फील हो गए कि नहीं मेरा नाम सर ने क्वेश्चन में डाल दिया. तो these are all imaginary. So let us understand. Facing towards south, Suresh walked 50 meters. He then turned to his right and walked 30 meters. He again turned right and walked 50 meters. How far? How far? It's not for, it is far. Utsav says the answer that it should be 30 meter. Abhishek says the answer 30 meter west. Akshay says the answer 30 meter east. Good, good. How far is he from his original position and towards which direction? So we'll go with the, first we'll go with the diagram as I said you, then I'll tell you without diagram also. Okay, first we'll go as normal diagram. Suraj says 30 towards west. Utsav says west. Okay, let's see. So see, I am drawing a diagram and then I'll go without diagram also. So I am drawing a diagram here. See, Suresh is here. This is the original position for Suresh. Suresh goes 50 meter towards south. So south 50. Okay. After going south, he turned right. From south, right means clockwise. Okay. So he will go towards west now. Okay. West, how much he walked? 30 meters. Okay. He again turned right. From west right means it will become north, clockwise. So north direction. Okay. How much he walked? 50 meters. He reached here. So 50 meters. So this is the original position and this is the destination where he reached. Am I right? Now what they are asking you, how far is he from original position? If you make it line like this, I think this becomes a rectangle. So opposite side 50-50. So this is 30 means this is also 30. So it is 30 meter. And which direction from the original position? From original, if you compare like this direction. So what is like this direction? What is like this direction? It is west. Am I right? So 30 meter in the west. So this is the answer. Clear? Comparing from the original position. Akshay, is it clear? 30 meter in the west. Compare from the original position. But this was with the diagram. Without diagram also we can see. So without diagram, very simple. Just go with the values. Just write the values. What are the values given? Suresh walks south 50. So write directly south 50. Okay, from south, right turn. So right turn is west. So west, how much he walked? West 30. So west 30. From west again right. Yes, Akshay. From west again right. So again clockwise. So north. North how much? 50. Okay, remember one thing. Vertical and horizontal. Verticals are south and north. Horizontal are east and west. Okay, in vertical, south and south will be added, north and north will be added, whereas north and south will be subtracted. Similarly, in horizontal, east and east will be added, west and west will be added, but east and west, the opposite direction will be subtracted. So here, south 50 and north 50. So it will be subtracted, so nothing is left. In vertical, nothing is left, only horizontal, west 30 is left. So answer is west 30 meters. Clear without diagram? Is it clear? If in the vertical also you get some bigger value, like north, if it is 60, so then you will get north 10. If north 60 and south 50, so cancellation, north will be the bigger value, so north 10. Then which direction he will be? He will be in the northwest. Then you can say north is in the vertical, so northwest, and horizontal west. Are you getting me? This gap, if they are 30 meters, then gap will not come. So then the gap will come root over horizontal square, which is the bigger value in horizontal, plus vertical square. This will be the gap. Okay, so we'll see in the further question, we'll understand it more clear. And why this came, how this came, it is no short tricks, no जादू. मैं यहाँ जादू करने नहीं बैठा हूँ. एप्टीट्यूड का मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया है कि एप्टीट्यूड का मतलब कोई ट्रिक्स जादू नहीं होता है, लॉजिकल अप्रोच होता है. कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं, बच्चे क्या बड़े लोग भी बोलते हैं कि कोई ट्रिक्स या जादू. कोई ट्रिक्स जादू नहीं है. ये कैसे आया है यही समझना एप्टीट्यूड है, हाउ दिस केम. इसीलिए मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया स्पेशली कि जितने भी ट्रिक्स हैं उनके पीछे का क्या लॉजिक है, क्योंकि हमें एप्टीट्यूड समझना है, लॉजिकल अप्रोच समझना है. लॉजिकल अप्रोच से हम शॉर्ट टाइम में आंसर कर सकते हैं, ट्रिक्स जादू नहीं करना है. क्योंकि माय डियर फ्रेंड, अगर आप किसी कंपनी में एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट लिखने के बाद जब आप ज्वाइन करने जाओगे या एचआर राउंड में जाओगे, एचआर आपको पूछता है कि क्या आप एप्टीट्यूड में अच्छे हैं, तो आप बोलिएगा हाँ. तो आपको एप्टीट्यूड के लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, तो या बिना क्वेश्चन के भी अगर आपको पूछा कि कैसे आप बोल सकते हैं एप्टीट्यूड में अच्छे हैं, तो क्या आप बताइएगा कि मैंने ये शॉर्टकट आती है मुझे, ये जादू आता है, ये ट्रिक्स आता है मुझे? बिल्कुल नहीं. वहां पे आप बोलिएगा कि मैं ये लॉजिकल अप्रोच यूज करता हूं, लॉजिकल अप्रोच ही एप्टीट्यूड है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? कोई शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स जादू नहीं, एप्टीट्यूड बिल्कुल जादू ट्रिक्स नहीं है. ओके, क्लियर है? ये मेरा मानना है, आपका क्या मानना है मुझे नहीं पता, ये मेरा मानना है. ओके, तो क्योंकि एच आर, यस उत्सव, एग्जैक्टली उत्सव, बट दैट कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्लोज हियर बिकॉज दिस इज सोशल मीडिया गोइंग ऑन. सोशल मीडिया पे ये सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकते हैं उत्सव. एनी हाउ, तो मूविंग फर्दर, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो महेश स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. आफ्टर वॉकिंग 30 meters he turned towards left, walked 40 meters, he then turned left and walked 50 meters. How far is he from his original position? बताइए इसका आंसर फास्ट. नो आंसर. तो चलिए पहले मैं आपको फिगर से बताऊं या विदाउट फिगर बताऊं? जस्ट मेंशन दैट इन द चैट, विथ फिगर विदाउट फिगर, ये तो बता दीजिए चैट में, या बोथ. चलिए विथ फिगर पहले बता देता हूं. ओके, लेकिन आगे क्वेश्चन में कोई एक बताऊंगा, या तो विथ फिगर या विदाउट फिगर, कोई एक. तो रोशन सेज दैट आंसर शुड बी 120 meters फ्रॉम ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. Abhishek says that it will be 44.72 meters from original position. Utsa also says 44.72 from the original position. ओके, तो चलिए विथ फिगर पहले बता रहा हूँ, फिर विदाउट फिगर मैं आपको बताऊंगा. देखते हैं किसका आंसर करेक्ट है. बाकी लोग आपका भी जो आंसर आएगा आप चैट में भिजाइएगा. तो महेश स्टार्टेड टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, मान लेते हैं ये है ओरिजिनल पोजीशन महेश का. स्टार्टेड टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. ओके, 30 meters he walked. After walking 30 meters, he turned left. From north, left means anti-clockwise, so west. Okay, he will go in the west now. Okay. Amulya also says 44.72 meters. Good. Let's see. So he turned left and walked 40 meters. So this distance is 40. Okay, he again turned left. Yes, Amulya, 44.72 meters. Okay, very good. From west again left means he will go in the south. So south, walked how much? 50 meters. Am I right? 50 meters. So 50 meters, this is the position, destination, and this was the original position. Okay. So this is the distance they are asking you. This is what they are asking you. So can we draw a right angle triangle like this? This is a right angle triangle. In this is the square. If I am not wrong, this is not square, you can say this is rectangle. This is rectangle. So this is 40, then here this is also 40. If this is 30 means this part is also 30. So what is remaining? This is 20. So I think from here to here it is 20. So this is a right angle triangle. You are getting a right angle triangle. Okay, the two arms, one is 40 and another is 20, and you have to find this hypotenuse. Okay, this is the distance you have to find. So I think you know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, the sum of the squares of the two hands is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square means this, the square of this will be equal to 40 square plus 20 square. Okay, square of this means hypotenuse square is equal to this much. So can I say that hypotenuse, the distance is equal to root over 40 square, that is 1600, plus 20 square, that is 400. So it will be root over, if I am not wrong, 2000. Am I right? Root over 2000. समझ गए? Yes, Roshan, very good, very good. So root over 2000 means how much it will come? If I am not wrong, 20 का square root क्या होगा? 4 4s are 16. So if you want, I can take out with division method also 2000 here. So these, so you can make it as 4 4s 4 16. Am I right? So here it becomes 8, and here the remainder 4 400. So here 8 4 za 84 4 za 84 4 za, how much it will come? 4 4 16, 1 32 133. So 44. So it will come 336. Now remainder is 4. I think 4 is the remainder. No, 60 36 means 64 is the remainder. So 6400. So decimal. So 44.7 something it will come. So 44.72. Very good, Roshan. 44.72 will be the answer, not 120. Got it? Yes, Roshan को अब clear है. तो अभिषेक ने पहले ही कहा था 44.72, उत्सव ने पहले ही कहा था 44.72, अमूल्य ने कहा था 44.72. Very good, very good, very good. So my dear friend, this was with the diagram, but as I said you, without diagram we can do it. So let us understand without diagram how. So without diagram, very simple it is. We'll just go write the values. Mahesh walked in the north, how much? 30. So north 30. From north left means west turning anti-clockwise. West he walked 40. He then turned left. So from west left is the south. So south he walked how much? 50. So these are the value. If you take vertical direction, north and south. Okay, so which is bigger? South is bigger. So in vertical we get vertical, north and south will be subtracted. As I said you, north added, south added, but north south subtracted. So subtracted how much? South is bigger, and subtraction you will get 20. And in horizontal you have only one thing, that is west. So west is 40. Am I right? And root over vertical square plus horizontal square, or else horizontal square plus vertical square. So that is 20 square plus 40 square. So it will be equal to root over 400 plus 1600. So this is equal to root over 2000. I think you got why I was saying this root over horizontal square plus vertical square, because it is a Pythagoras theorem. Clear now? And if they ask you the direction, in which direction he is as compared from original position, अगर original position से देखें तो वो किस direction में है, तो definitely वो south इसमें bigger है, west इसमें bigger है, तो he will be in the southwest direction. साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन मतलब किस डायरेक्शन में होगा? ऐसे डायरेक्शन में होगा. ओरिजिनल पोजीशन यहां होगा और उसका डेस्टिनेशन यहां होगा. क्लियर है? विदाउट फिगर. So let's see more questions. So more question on the screen. Mohit started from the point X and walked straight 5 km west. He then turned left and walked straight 2 km. Again turned left and walked straight 7 km. In which direction is he from the point X? Means starting point. Only direction they are asking you, not the distance. I think without figure also you can do it. Even if they are asking you distance without figure, you can do it. Try it. Tell me which direction he is from the X. X means the starting point. So Utsav says that it should be southeast. Abhishek says that it should be southwest. चलिए explanation देखते हैं. So let's see the explanation here. So Mohit started without diagram. I am going for. Is it okay for all? Roshan says that it is easy. Good, good, Roshan. Amulya says it should be southeast. Roshan was trying to say something, but it came as easy. Acha, east. Roshan says east. Okay, okay, Roshan. Akshay says it should be southeast. Abhishek says southeast. Sorry. Okay, southeast. Sorry. So no need to say sorry. It's okay. So let us understand. Mohit started without diagram. I am going. Is it okay for all? Say yes, no. Without diagram. Wherever diagram is required, then we'll draw the diagram. Otherwise, all will do without diagram. Is it okay for all? Say yes, no in the chat. Without diagram. Yes, Amulya says yes. Very good. Yes, Akshay. So, my dear friends, let us move. So, Mohit started from point X, walked 5 km west. So, west 5. Somewhere if you require diagram, you can say that in the chat. I'll say with the diagram. Otherwise, we'll go without diagram. So, west 5. Then turn left. From west, left turning. West left turning means he will go where? Anti-clockwise. That is south. So, west left turn is south. South he walked 2 km. Again turn left. From south left, that is east. Again anti-clockwise east. And walked 7 km. Okay, that's it. This is the value they have given. So let us see that in vertical it will be only south. There is no north. So south 2. In horizontal, west 5, east 7. So bigger value is east, and east it is 2. So no doubt he will be in the southeast as compared from the original position. Clear? And if they ask you the distance, you can say root over 2 square plus 2 square. That is root over 8. You will get the answer. Clear? Next question. A is standing at P. He walks 10 meters towards the south. Then he walks 20 meters towards the west. Then he walks 10 meters towards south. Then he walks 2.8. Yes, Akshay. Then you will get 2.8 as the answer. Root over 8, it is very near to root 9. Root 9 should be 3. So it will be root over 8 is no doubt 2.8. Yes, Akshay. But they haven't asked the distance. So for this question, tell me the answer. What is the straight distance between P and Q in meters? Means the same. Root over horizontal square plus vertical square. Same thing. Okay, so you can send your answer in the chat. I am explaining here. So let us understand. A is standing at P. So P to Q, they are asking you the distance. Q is the destination, P is the starting point. He walks 10 meters south. So I am writing the value. South 10. Okay. Then he walks 20 meters towards west. So west 20. Directly the values they have given. Then he walks 10 meters south. So south again 10. Then he walks 20 meters north. So north 20. And reaches Q. These are the value they have given. Right. So Utsav says that 20 is the answer. Amulya says 20 is the answer. Abhishek says 20 is the answer. Roshan says 20 is the answer. Good. So let us understand. In vertical, south and south will be added. So south and south added means south it will become 20. These two are added means it become 20 and not 20. So it get cancelled. All get cancelled. So only left over is west. So no doubt 20 in the west. So 20 is the answer, 20 meters. Very simple. Yes, Akshay, 20. Very good, everyone. Done? Simple it is. Next question. Sumit walks 8 kilometer east, turns southwest. Turns southwest. Krish, all the topics. Krish, all the topics. Krish, all topics. It depends that which exam you are writing. Like if you are concentrating for ESE, Engineering Services, let me tell you all the topics are important. If you are concentrating on GATE, there are some limited topic we can say based on what they have given the question on the previous year. Okay, maximum they ask you the question from probability, percentages, directions, blood relations, numbers calculation. Are you getting me? So based on the previous, but according to syllabus we have to go for all the topics. Krish, according to syllabus we can say we have to go for all the topics, but based on the previous year question we can divide some topic, which topic they are asking maximum the question. So anyhow, any queries, doubt, in the last slide you will be getting my complete detail in the last slide of this video. Okay, you can ask me the doubt there, more doubt if you have. Utsav says that west should be the answer. Krish, somewhere if you are not able to understand, you can say to me, because I can speak in other language as well. Somewhere if I am saying in Hindi, you can ask, I can speak in Telugu. అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడతాను, తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Krish. So here Abhishek says west is the answer. Amulya says southeast is the answer. Okay. So here we have to go for diagram, because here we cannot write the values directly. Here because they have given turn southwest. Okay, so we'll go for the diagram. Sumit walks 8 kilometer east. So this is the starting point of the Sumit, 8 kilometer in the east. So like this he walked 8 kilometer. Okay. Turns southwest. Southwest means which direction? This direction. So southwest means 45-degree turn from here. Okay. Southwest directly, so 45-degree, and walks 8 kilometer, another 8 kilometer. Okay, he again turns towards northwest. Northwest means this direction. So from southwest, if a person is going northwest, means I mean to say this will be 90-degree. This will be 90-degree. Am I right? So here the person will be walking how much? Again 8 kilometer. So I think this will be this hypotenuse. This becomes right angle triangle with 90-degree here. So this is 8 kilometer, this is 8 kilometer. So this hypotenuse should be more than 8. So here there will be some gap here. Okay, from here to here. So which direction? In which direction from starting point is he standing now? This direction. This direction is no doubt the west. West should be the answer. Roshan, it is not southwest, it is west. Exact west. Abhishek correct, Utsav correct. Amulya, it should be west. Roshan, it should be west. Which direction from the starting point is the west? Roshan, west, got it. Amulya, is it clear to you? Okay. So next question. Next question, A walks 10 meter towards east, then walk 10 meter to his right, and every time turning to his left, he walks 5.15 and 15 meters respectively. How far is he from the starting point? Come on. Simple question. And further, I'll change the pattern of the question. In the direction, we'll see some other pattern as well. So you can tell me your answer in the chat. I am explaining here. So A walks 10 meters east. So east 10. Directly I am writing the values. Then 10 meters to his right. From east right. East right means clockwise. So south. Am I right? 10 meters in the east, and then 10 meters to his right means south 10 again. So Abhishek says that 15.95 should be the answer. Let's see Abhishek. Okay, so south 10. Then every time turning to his left, from south left, he walks 5.15 and 15 meters respectively, means 2 times he has to turn left. So first left is east, there the walking is 5.15, and again from east left is the north, and their walking is 15. Am I right? This is what they have given. Roshan says 7.17. Good. Let's see which one is the correct answer. So these are the value given. So in vertical, if you see in vertical, south is given, north is given. That's it. So how much it is? Which is bigger? North. So north 5. And in horizontal, if you see, east is given, east is given. So east, it is total, if I am not wrong, east and east will be added, it will become 15.15. So the distance will be root over horizontal square plus vertical square, if I am not wrong. So Amulya says 6.96. Okay, let's see. So it will be root over horizontal means 15.15 square, okay, plus vertical means 5 square. Roshan says 16.28 should be the answer. Very good. Akshay says 15.95 should be the answer. Very good. Krish is asking 8 topics నేర్చుకోవాలో అర్థం కావట్లేదు vocabulary part లో quant aptitude లో please guide sir in GATE exam. Vocabulary part lo Krish, sorry guys, I am saying in Telugu. Sorry for remaining people who do not understand in Telugu. I am saying in Telugu to Krish. Vocabulary part lo Krish అది చాలా టఫ్, ఎందుకంటే సినానిమ్ యాంటోనిమ్ అడిగినప్పుడు మీరు 100 సినానిమ్ నేర్చుకొని వెళ్తే అక్కడ 101 అడుగుతారు, అంటే వేరేది అడుగుతారు. ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ మీ? అదే సేమ్ సినానిమ్ యాంటోనిమ్లో అంతే, మీరు ఎంత నేర్చుకున్నా అది ఎక్స్ట్రా అడుగుతారు. Quant part lo I can explain you quant part what are the topics important, అది నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మీరు లాస్ట్ స్లైడ్ చూడండి, లాస్ట్ స్లైడ్లో నా నంబర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, ఇదే వీడియోలో లాస్ట్ స్లైడ్లో నా నంబర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, మీరు టెక్స్ట్లో అడగవచ్చు. సరేనా క్రిష్? క్లియర్ కదా? Okay, so moving to the explanation. Let me tell you here 15.15. Amulya says 15.95 should be the answer. So 15.15 square, how much it will come? So this will be equal to root over 15.15 into 15.15. How much it is? 15.15 square. It is 229.522 something, 5225. Okay, plus 5 square, that is 25. So if I am not wrong, it will be root over how much? 254.5225, so on. Am I right? Krish, okay, very good, very good. So 254.52. So if I am not wrong, let us find the square root of this. I don't have calculator, scientific calculator like you engineers. Okay, so I am using the division method. So here this here, so 1 ones are 1, so here 1, here 2, here you get 154. So in front of 2, how much we can write? In front of 2 we can write as 6. If we write 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 3 years, 6 2 are 12, 15, 156 it will become. So only 5 I can write, because 156 it will become here 154. So 15.95, yes, 15.95 should be the correct answer. So 15.95 is the correct answer. Clear everyone? So next question, the pattern has changed. A man is facing northwest, he turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction, then 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? So simple, as you are doing north south as subtraction, here clockwise and anti-clockwise will be subtracted. So clockwise is 90 degree and anti-clockwise is 135 degree. So which one is bigger? Anti-clockwise is bigger. So I can say overall anti-clockwise after subtraction, how much you will get? Anti-clockwise 45 degree, that's it. So person was facing northwest. Northwest means this direction he was facing, and anti-clockwise 45 degree means he will face the west. So west is the answer. Yes, Abhishek, very good. Only 45-degree anti-clockwise. Clear? No queries, doubt? So more number of questions are there. Okay, but we'll see some other pattern here. These all questions we'll see the explanation in the special class. Don't miss the special class. Here there are some different pattern of the question. See, A, B, C, D are standing on four corners of a square piece of plot as shown in the given figure. They start moving and the movements are explained in each of the questions. So further questions the movement will be explained. Okay, so some different pattern we are seeing here. Shall we? Okay, so let us understand. Here they have given this is a square piece of plot and here the original position of A, B, C and D are given to you. Okay, if it is not visible, I think now it must be visible. Yes. Okay, and then north, south, east, west. Okay, and some movements will be done which will be given in the further question. So let's see the question what they have given. From the original position, D starts crossing the field diagonally. After walking half the distance, he turns right, walks some distance and turns left. Which direction D is facing now? So try the answer for this. Some different pattern. Option also are given. Options given: southeast, southwest, northwest, north. Abhishek says second option, that is northwest. So let us understand. Let's see the explanation. From the original position D, they are discussing about D. D is here. Okay. Start crossing field diagonally means like this he go. Okay, half the distance. Half the distance means he will reach to this point. Amulya says northwest. Okay, we'll see. So up till here he will reach diagonally and this point half the distance means up till here he reach. He turns right. From here right means anti-clockwise. Sorry, clockwise. Clockwise means like this 90-degree. Okay, so turns right, so clockwise like this 90-degree turn. Walks some distance means not total, walks some distance. Okay, let's say up till here he walked and turns left. From here left turn means again 90-degree. So like this he will be. Which direction D is facing now? So D is facing this direction. This direction is between north and west, so it will be called as northwest. Amulya, you are correct, it will be northwest. Second option, very good Abhishek. Second option should be the answer. Good. Roshan, second option. Very good, very good. Clear? So shall we see more question? So more question, here it is. B travels straight to C. A distance of 10 km. He turned right and walked 7 km towards D. Again he turned right and walks 8 km. Then finally turned right and walks 7 km. How far is he from his original position? Come on. Try this. 7 km, 8 km, 2 km, 3 km. Abhishek says that is 2 km or 2 second option. Abhishek, please mention. Abhishek says 2 km, that is third option. Okay, very good. Okay, let us understand with the diagram also, you can understand, or without diagram also. First of all, let us understand B goes towards C. Amulya says 2 km. Without diagram I am saying B is going towards C. So B is going towards C, a distance of 10 km. Means going towards C means going towards east. Okay, east 10 km. Turn right. From east right, that is clockwise. So south, walk 7 km. Okay, towards D. Okay, again turn right. So from south right clockwise, that is west. Okay, walked 8 km. Am I right? And then finally turn right. From west right, means again clockwise north, and walk 7 kilometers. This is the values given. So Roshan says that it should be 2 kilometer. Ranjan says hello, hi, Ranjan. Very late now, it is closing time, but very good. Last slide is more important for all of you. So anyhow, let us understand here in horizontal, if you see east 10 west 8, so I can say that east is 2, and in vertical if you see south 7 north 7 both are cancelled, so no doubt 2 kilometer, that is the third option. Clear? Okay, more questions are there, but I think the time is very close to end. So more questions were there, but these questions we can discuss all in the special class. And let me tell you, special class is also free for all. If you want to join the special class, very simple, you have to just download the Unacademy app. After downloading the app, you can see my name in the left hand side the screen. My name and my complete details are given. So search this name in GATE and ESE channel. In GATE and ESE channel of Unacademy, you will get my profile, and in my profile, go with the profile and on the notification. If you on the notification, whenever my special class is there, you will get the notification, that is through message, my timing of special class and even the link. That is also free, no need to worry. That is also free, because today also we have attended the special class. Today's special class was on spatial aptitude, which is very important for GATE especially. And my dear friend, today we have done only mirroring part of spatial aptitude. Okay, this is the important topic. It was introduced by IIT Bombay from this year onwards. Extra syllabus for GATE for all the branches in aptitude, that is spatial aptitude. So today we have done mirroring. Still some more we'll discuss on the spatial aptitude in the special class. That is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every day. Whatever the timing and all, you will get if you on the notification there in Amulya Ratan profile. That is my name. Are you getting me? Further, let me tell you that if you subscribe this channel, that is Lead Gate. It is aptitude, special class aptitude. Akshay, you can get the detail over here if you want the link of all those. I think I have some people, they are not getting my profile. So I think you have my number also on the screen in the left hand side, just below my name. Okay, any problem, you can just message me. Okay, so WhatsApp me. So moving further, if you want to get my previous videos of YouTube link, you can go through my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Amulya Ratan Apti. Go through that page, you will get the previous link. Even the upcoming classes of YouTube link you will get there. Even if you are following me on Insta, you will get the link over there. And let me tell you, as I was saying, that Lead Gate, this channel, if you subscribe, the channel where you are seeing this video, if this you subscribe, you can attend my live classes and you can do the Maha revision of technical classes as well. Okay, and let me tell you, use this code AR10 whenever you are taking subscription on Unacademy. Plus subscription you are taking, use this code so that you can get the discount in your subscription fees. Okay, maximum discount. And my dear friend, let me tell you that share this code even with your friends so that they also get the discount when they are taking the subscription on Unacademy. So hope you have enjoyed the session, and tomorrow at the same time in the Lead Gate channel will cover direction more further. Okay, and next day we'll go for more number of question on the different topics. So complete revision of aptitude we'll do in this channel. So don't miss any of the classes, and don't miss even your technical classes as well. So keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Thank you for your active participation.